This is the gardening family. Welcoming y'all back to my gardening channel. Welcome back, gardening fantastics. My garden family and I hope that you'll enjoy this gardening episode, and hopefully it'll inspire you to want to garden too. Thanks for your time and support. Okay, gardening fantastics, I planted some bell peppers, some morning glory. What was that thing called? Dang, I forgot. Bell peppers, morning glory, those yellow flowers, I forgot, and some thyme and some more chives. So we'll see what happens. I really want my bell peppers to make it. I think I'm gonna really work on growing these bell peppers. I love bell peppers and tomato. But I put the, you see that white bucket is out there filled up now. This update. That's the tomato plants. Hopefully they pop back up. And I'm about to put this Southern California. I'm gonna put these babies outside. And I think I'm gonna keep them on this box because it's easy for me to move it. Then to try and move it, because the little egg, it's a repurposed egg carton is what I use to plant these little seeds in. So I got bell pepper, thyme, chives, and some flower seeds. And another video later or sooner, I'm gonna show you guys my sprouted sunflower seeds. I should do that now in another video, but all right, maybe tomorrow. Okay, y'all, thanks for watching. Don't forget to use the button, the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe and invite me to do the same. And just thank you for your time and support, because it's precious. And don't forget, it's a link up there in my banner on my homepage if you want to subscribe to my prepper channel, grocery shopping, survival videos. It's up there on the banner, and it's also in the About Me section on my page. All right, thanks guys, gardening fantastics, and have a great gardening day. Thanks for your time and support.